Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.
In Surah Tawbah 9:23, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu la tattakhidhu aba'akum wa ikhwanakum awliya in istahabbu al-kufra 'ala al-iman wa man yatawallahum minkum fa ulaika humuz zalimun. O you who believe, do not take your fathers, ancestors and your brothers as protectors if they seek to love rejection over belief. And whosoever from you take them as protectors, then they are the oppressors. In this ayah, simply Allah is telling us that if you are believers, so do not take your father, ancestor, brother as your protectors if they are not believers. You have to make a distinction. You cannot take them as your protectors because they are not believers. Now, ayat is addressing to the believers. So he is telling to the people, if their fathers and brothers are not believers, they are rejection, they don't are against the religion, then do not take them as your protector. But you can live them, accompany them nicely. But you must have a separation in belief. Now further in continuity, Surah Tawbah 9:24. قُلْ إِنْ كَانَ آبَاؤُكُمْ وَأَبْنَاؤُكُمْ وَإِخْوَانُكُمْ وَأَزْوَاجُكُمْ وَعَشِيرَتُكُمْ وَأَمْوَالٌ اقْتَرَفْتُمُوهَا وَتِجَارَةٌ تَخْشَوْنَ كَسَادَهَا وَمَسَاكِينُ تَرْضَوْنَهَا أَحَبَّ إِلَيْكُم مِّنَ اللَّهِ وَرَسُولِهِ وَجِهَادٍ فِي سَبِيلِهِ فَتَرَبَّصُوا حَتَّى يَأْتِيَ اللَّهُ بِأَمْرِهِ وَاللَّهُ لَا يَهْدِي الْقَوْمَ الْفَاسِقِينَ. Say, if your fathers and ancestors and your sons and your brothers and your pair wives and your associates and the wealth to which you are committed and the business in which you fear a slum and the residences in which you are pleased, you have more love towards them than Allah and His Messenger, and to jihad, to strive in His way, then you wait until Allah comes with His order, and Allah does not guide the people who are liberals. If you note in this ayah, there are certain people and certain things are involved. And believe me, every human being have got strong attachment to these categories. Number one, fathers. Who does not have feelings for the father? Ancestor, your sons, your brothers, your wives or pairs, or your associates, and the wealth to which you are committed. I mean, you are committed to that wealth which you have earned already. And the business in which you fear a slum. People say, let me settle down first, then I will look into the religion. Let me settle down. You are busy, you fear a slum. And the residences in which you delight, and the houses, the residences in which you delight, you enjoy the house. You have more love towards them, all these things, than Allah and His Messenger, and to strive in His way, then you wait until Allah's order comes. So these things are to be loved. Remember this, I am repeating. You can love your father, you can love your ancestor, you can love your son, your brothers and your wives and wealth and everything. These are the commodities, or these are commodities, I'm using the word commodity, but they are given to you for love and affection. But in comparison to Allah and His Messenger, and to strive in His way, they should be less. Wallahu la yahdil qawm al-fasiqin. Allah does not guide who are liberals. How can you, if you are taking the liberty of not practicing, how can you expect Allah will guide you? Allah guide those who follow and believe. So you agree to these kind of, everything that said is right. But I am taking this liberty. At the moment I cannot. And there he goes with his excuse.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum.
We all have emotional attachment with our parents, children, brothers and wives. My question is, how will we come to know that we've got the guidance and not surpassing the limits of love for these relations over Allah and His Messenger, and the strive in the way of Allah as per the Tawbah 9:24?
Okay, you see, I was just saying in my lecture that these relations are mentioned in the Quran. You can love them, but you should not surpass the feelings of love what beyond the commandments or the orders of Allah. Now you want to know how. Actually, once you start practicing the eyes of Allah and the emotion you attach to Allah, you will feel the difference. But specifically, there is one more ayat given in the Quran. If you refer to Surah Mujadila, 58 ayat, 22 verse. لا تجدوا قوما يؤمنون بالله واليوم الآخر يوادون من حاد الله ورسوله ولو كان آباهم أو أبناهم أو إخوانهم أو عشيرتهم أولئك كتب في قلوبهم الإيمان وأيدهم بروح منه. I am not reading but this is the most important point here. You will not find people who believe with Allah in the last day. They love those who transgress Allah and His Messenger, even if they were their fathers, an ancestor, or their sons and their brothers and their relatives. Those are whom Allah wrote belief in their hearts and strengthened them with the Spirit. So when Allah has written belief in your heart and the Spirit, the essence is strengthened with it, then you can understand Allah is with you.
Thank you.